Enzyme Finance, previously named Melon Protocol, is a protocol built on Ethereum, ETH, that allows users to create, manage and invest in custom crypto asset management vehicles. Enzyme aims to decentralize traditional asset management, a field that has historically been the domain of professional financial advisors and firms. The idea is the MLN cryptocurrency can lower the barriers to entry for asset management, opening access to more global consumers. For example, managed funds typically require a minimum investment amount and management fees, which can put these wealth tools out of reach of average consumers. Further out of reach is their ability to create asset management funds, which today requires substantial capital and legal consultation. On top of this, it can take years to even file documents for a fund. Enzyme aims to create an alternative system. Using the project's web portal, users can invest in funds and portfolios launched by other users, and other users can invest in their creations. The Enzyme Finance protocol uses the MLN cryptocurrency to execute various operations on the platform. Enzyme Finance is a collection of smart contracts whose computation is performed by the Ethereum blockchain. Because of this design, fees for transactions are paid in Ether. These fees cover the cost of using Ethereum's computing power and Enzyme software. The protocol itself consists of two layers, a fund layer and an infrastructure layer, and it comes with its own JavaScript library that enables web browser support.